Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance mysteries to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: where to find your Navy Federal Access Number in 2025. If you're a Navy Federal Credit Union member, you know how important this number is for things like online banking, ATM access, or even setting up mobile apps. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can find it quickly and get back to managing your finances. First off, what's the Navy Federal Access Number? It's essentially your unique identifier, often linked to your debit or credit card, and it's crucial for secure transactions. In 2025, Navy Federal has made it even simpler to access this info with updated digital tools. Let's start with the easiest method: checking your physical card. Grab your Navy Federal debit or ATM card right now. Flip it over, and look for a 16-digit number on the front or back. That's often your access number. But if it's not there or you're unsure, don't panic. Next, head over to the Navy Federal website or mobile app. Make sure you're logged into your account. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're in, navigate to the Account Summary, or Card Details, section. Here, you'll find your access number listed under your account information. Pro tip: if you're using the app, enable biometric login for faster access in the future. If you still can't locate it, your monthly statements are a goldmine. Log in and download your latest statement. Your access number should be right there in the account details. And if all else fails, reach out to Navy Federal's customer support. They're available 24/7 via chat, phone, or email, and they can verify it for you instantly. There you have it. That's how you find your Navy Federal Access Number in 2025. It's all about staying organized and using the tools at your disposal. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.